If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Blow it up, baby. We're live on the tube. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Right now here on the QQQ, bouncing there off that pivot point. We got the VWAP up there, 366.56 right now, going into open. It's Tuesday morning. Daily chart looking a little bullish here. Got numbers coming out today, 10 a.m. numbers, so pretty important numbers as well. So we'll see how this plays out. Jolt's job openings will be a big mover number today. Right now here on the book map, got 77 liquidity sitting there, 75, 76, 77, and then after that up to the 85s. So we had a little recent high there at the 80s. And VWAP right now, VWAP on the NASDAQ at the 94s, VWAP. VWAP up there at the 94s for now. The ES also below the VWAP here. VWAP on the ES at the 43s. And kind of putting in this kind of higher low here at the 60 level and pushing back up there to 75s now. That 75 liquidity sitting there on the book map. We'll see if that's gonna get taken out. Push up here into the 80s next. Going into open here. VWAP up there at the 94s. All that liquidity on the book map there at the 76s right now. So good morning, good morning. We got it on the hourly chart here, on the hourly chart on the NASDAQ, pretty much in a downward trend right now. That last hourly candle high was 89. So over 89, we get the breakout there on the hourly chart for that downtrend. So I think going into open, you got the VWAP, you got a couple things to think about here in terms of potential push up here on the ES right now. We bounced off this 35 pivot, pushed up there now. The VWAP at the 42s. We are actually gapping down. So the gap at open would be that 44 level on the ES here. And then there's a pivot point up there at the 456s for the ES now. So we'll see if we can get above the VWAP here, above that 42.75, and then fill that gap. And then you got the pivot point up there at the 56s. And then the overnight high, the European, the London high was 52s there. So kind of similar setup here as well on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, you can see here on the 15-minute chart, this is that hourly downward trend also there on the 15-minute chart as well. But that pivot point right there, 92s, and then fill the gap up there to the 98s. Right now, gapping down here, bouncing off this pivot there at the 64s, going into open. VWAP 93, gap fill at 98, and then a high, the London high up there at the 47s. So 15-minute chart, kind of basing around this pivot point right now. I'd be looking for that possible gap fill here at open up there to the hundreds, up there to through the VWAP, and then after that, you're looking at that, I don't know, probably looking 115 resistance right there, and then after that, there's that pivot point up there at the 50s, 150s. Right now, that pivot point there at the 63s. If we can't hold that 63 pivot, well, then obviously we probably will roll down here. But yesterday, we kind of held up there, constantly kind of bouncing around that 15,000 area. We kept bouncing 15,000, pushed up there to the hundreds. We got those numbers at 10 a.m. Numbers at 10 a.m. here, so we'll see if those numbers are going to be a big mover here today and we get something to happen. The Bears, the Bulls, who's going to win? The $1 million question. If you guys haven't hit that like button, you know what to do. You know what to do. Right now, we're looking at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart here. And now pulling up the 3-minute chart here for the NASDAQ, right? Pulling back into this 70 little fair value gap there on the 3-minute chart. We pushed up again kind of into that 80 level, this 80 level right here. So If we look at this, let's look at it on 15-minute chart here, just kind of in terms of Fibonacci retracement. We pretty much pulled back into that 50 level right now. Then after that, you got the 618 kind of right up there at the VWAP as well there. And then if we go to like the hourly here on the fibs from that overnight move to the low so far, that puts us up there kind of towards that 100 level, fill that gap potential, maybe. We'll see. There's also that big fair value gap there on the hourly candle down as well. So we'll see how this goes at open. Right now, the ES, the NASDAQ, right below the VWAP, we do have that gap fill potential. So I would say if we get over that 80 level strong, push up there, try to fill that gap, got to get through the VWAP there. Right now, selling back down again, hitting the VWAP there on the QQQ for now, getting stuck there, pulling back. There's that pivot point there on both the NASDAQ and the QQQ. Pivot point there at the 64s going into open. We're getting pretty tight there at that pivot point for now. See how this goes. Sage is actually live inside of the market flow trader community, live right now. So he's live, I'm live. Who's watching who? That's the question. This is actually Sage live on the market flow trader community live right now over there. So this is his stream. He's looking at the ES right now. So that's going on. Market flow trader community, it's our last chance, $500 for the lifetime membership. If you're on the fence, you're thinking about joining up, you got 2 more days to pull the trigger here. So going into open, we kind of got this set up right here. I'd say if we can hold 60s here, we can try to get this push up, fill the gap. And got the VWAP up there at the 92s, 93s for the setup this morning. Got about 3 minutes here, 3 minutes. 3 minutes till market open. The hurricane is not going to do much to Orlando, at least. It's kind of already turning more left. So that'll be more so in the panhandle, West Coast, not so much Orlando. We should be good in Orlando, but I don't know if I'd want to be on the panhandle right now. The current chart we're looking at is the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart is currently. I wish there was an easier way to show that. Got about 2 minutes here, 2 minutes till market opens. I think if we can get over 75 here at open, we squeeze up there and try to fill that gap. That gap fill puts us up there to 97, 98. So you can see here on the 15-minute chart. Over 83 would be the safer bet. Over the 82, 83 level, and then squeeze up there into the hundreds, and then 115 being the next resistance. And then after that, probably like 126, 146 here if we can hold. If we can't hold here at the 64 as well, then there's a pivot point down there at that 15,000 level. This could kind of waterfall down, but we got about a minute here till market opens, and then we got the JOLTS job openings at 10 a.m. Numbers at 10 a.m. here today. Got about a minute left. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up that like button. It's free to like, by the way. Right now, pushing up there 75, 76 is already. Watching that 80 level here. We're going to be watching that 80 level for a possible breakout through that 80s. We already broke out here, but kind of want to get through that 82, 81 level. And then we got the VWAP up there in 90s and push up there to the hundreds, kind of being where you'd be looking for that little quick squeeze at open. So let's see if the bulls come in here. We're putting in a higher low right now. We got 10 seconds. Count it down with me. 10 seconds. And there we go. Market is now open for business. Need to get right through that 80 level and squeeze up there to the VWAP. 85 so far. Got stuck right there at 85. We're above the VWAP on the QQQ. Need to squeeze straight up here. Get through that resistance there at the 80s. No way. Even go straight through there. There we go, up there to the 90s. Let's go right to that little yellow circle. Dot, 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 baby. Dot, 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 dot. Oh, up there to almost the 90s. Stuck for now. And pulling back here to the 70s again. Not having the strength to get through the VWAP level there. So it looks like she's going to sell down here now and got denied quickly. The chop is real. We break through 60s, it should sell quickly down, so. Right now, stuck here at the 70s. 75s. Dollar pulling back here. The chop is real. We bounce right off that pivot point there. And again, up there to the 90s, the choppy chop. Choppity chop. Need to get through that VWAP there. There we go, through the 90s here. Trying to push through the 90s. You want that gap fill potential here to get up there towards the hundreds. Still stuck there at the fucking VWAP again. Looking for that push through the VWAP here. He's trying. Up there to the 91s. Again, stuck at the VWAP. Both the ES and the NASDAQ stuck at the VWAP for now. Need to get through the VWAP strong to get up there through the hundreds to hit our target. Hit our target. We need to go. Target needs to go, go, go. Need more through here. Don't want to get stuck here. We want to go through the hundreds quickly. 95s. Stuck there at the 95s for now. There we go. Trying to get that push into the hundreds here. Beautiful. Taking a little bit of profit right there for that push up to our first target. Let's see what happens through the 100 area. We go straight through hundreds here. Locked in some profit there at 98s. Still got contracts left to get pushed through the hundreds possible. She's trying to go, trying to go. There we go. Look at that. Up there, our little yellow circle now. Who would have thought? How did it do that? How did it go? Up to our little yellow circle. Up to our, it's still going. Up there to the 12s. Beautiful move. Yeah, baby. Thank you very much. I'm still long, looking for maybe a little bit more here. And I'm gonna lock it down right there at the, what I get filled, 13s from the entry on this was 68 actually on this pullback here when we fucking held right there on that. Look at that, still going up there to the 20s now. Oh, let's go. Patrick, you have aged quite a bit in the last 5 years. Cool, go fuck yourself. You got me. He won. Damn it. How did he get me so good? All right, so we just crushed that opening trade right there. Absolutely crushed it. Absolutely crushed this opening market move there from the 68s up there through the hundreds for that last sell through. So far up there to our original target through the hundreds beautifully. You gotta love it. Making money, baby. We're doing it live on YouTube. Got that VWAP down there at the 93s. So best part now is you just wait for a breakout here, pullback, breakout. You don't need to go crazy. You don't buy the top. Wait for the next opportunity to get long here. Right now, pulling back, maybe touch that VWAP level again, or we hold here at this kind of fair value gap, get the breakthrough. So nice and easy, baby. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Through this, I think through the 110s, we push up there towards that high from the London Open at the 38s or so. So still some meat left on the bone here. Meat on the bone. Got numbers at 10 a.m. Very kind of big numbers actually too. So Jolt's job openings. Just being patient here, waiting for the next setup. It's forming. The setup is forming, people. The dollar is selling off right now. We got the VWAP there at the 93s. We definitely want to hold kind of that VWAP bounce. The ES above the VWAP right now. The NASDAQ above the VWAP. The ES pulling back from the 45, 46s back to the 44s. The NASDAQ pulling back here into the VWAP now. Would be beautiful to get that kind of bounce off that VWAP level and then get a breakout here. So just being patient. Don't buy these red candles, buy a green candle. Still waiting. Pretty much looking for like a break back over the hundreds here for a long if we start to push back up here. So as of right now, it's just been sell, sell, sell. So no reason to do anything other than wait. We're waiting. The ES pushing back up off of the VWAP there. All right, let's see what happens here. Still pulling back. Like I said, waiting for a breakout here. Don't go chasing waterfalls. This was kind of a previous area of resistance here at the 90s, so they're going to bounce this. Now you're just basically waiting still. We're right there at the VWAP now. Can we hold here at the VWAP and squeeze up? The ES back to the highs on the 15-minute candle. The ES starting to want to push. If the ES starts breaking out through that high, I think the NASDAQ will start ripping up here and try to get a push as well. So just waiting. Get back over that 100 level, we should start to push back up to these highs. Got the little green candle there through the hundreds now. Strong water. Beautiful. There we go. Look at that boner candle. The ES squeezing up, the NASDAQ trying to push as well. Let's get going. I'm long here, looking for this push up. Basically want to stay above 100 at this point. Moving my stop break even at this point. I'm long from that 100 break. Can't lose. We want this to squeeze straight through the highs. A little bit of trouble there. Stopped out for small profit. Needed to break right through that 10s. 10 resistance. We got to get above 10s here. So can we squeeze? Got to get through 10, 11, 10, 11. Break, 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 break. All right. We're long again, looking for this breakout through the highs, through the 120s. There we go, up there to the 20s now. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look at that, rip. Let's fucking go, boys and girls. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Daddy likey, daddy likey. I like making money, baby. I like making that fucking easy fucking money, boys. Look at that thing. What a beautiful setup this was. Through the 30s now. Let's go. Come on. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Seriously, though. How fucking spot on was this? How just a absolutely textbook play right here, my friends. We had it all laid out live on YouTube as this thing pulls back into the VWAP, the 1 minute chart. We had the ES squeezing up. It was simple. We get back above the hundreds. We push through the highs up there to the 30s. Ding, 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 ding. Can one man be any fucking better? Can I be any better looking? And better at this game. God damn, he's good. Up there through the 30s. This is fucking live on YouTube for free, by the way. Look at this thing ripping right now. We got the push. We drew our line. The best part is, guys, I literally told you. What did I tell you? I told you very simply. Let's just wait for this to pull back. Let's wait for a breakout. And look at how beautifully this played out. Just look. Right? Look at this. All we're looking for is a breakout of the high of the previous candle. What did we do? We no high, no high, no high, no high. We're just pulling back. Red, red, red. We pull back to the VWAP. We have this previous area of resistance. We bounce. We get the breakout here. Ding. I actually got in, stopped out, jumped back in when we held the 100 again, and then bam. Fucking 20 points. Rip it up there, baby. Live on YouTube. I'm telling you, nobody's fucking doing it like this. Nobody. Nobody. Nobody's doing it like this. Get the fuck out of here, everybody. It's too good. You're not making money. I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Just go ahead and quit. Quit it now. Just quit now. But like I said, just absolutely beautiful breakout. I mean, I love these setups. These setups are just so I mean, they're just fucking, they don't get any easier. Like, this is A++ setups, my friends. That pullback into the VWAP turns into support, and then that rip. Come on. Come on. That's an A+. That's a 10 all day. Right? That's fucking 6 foot blonde with double D's and just a fucking 10 all day. I want to get married to this setup. I want to marry this money-making setup. Look at that. Still going up to the 44s. That's 40 points. Live on YouTube. 50 points. Give me the 6 foot blonde double D's. That's a double D setup right there, boys. Double D's. Let's go. Oh my God, he's good. We talked about this breakout too, getting up there above that high from earlier. Remember, the London high was right there at the 45s. Look at this, through the 50s now. Come on, gentlemen. Come on. Fucking put your hands in the air like you just don't care, everybody. Through the 60s now. Wow. She's ripping straight to the fucking moon. Straight to the fucking moon here, my friends. It doesn't get any easier than this. The setup was there on the 3-minute chart as well. Bam. Draw your fucking yellow line. Take the money, 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 money. Look at that. From the 103s up there to the 60s. You aren't hitting the fucking like button. I don't know what you're doing. God. Blow up the fucking like button. Let's go. I want 800 likes, or I'm turning this bitch off right now. Turn this fucking bitch off right now. I swear to God, I will. I'll walk away right now. What the fuck? 500 likes. What kind of bull? I'm literally making people money hand over fist, and I can't even get fucking 1,000 likes here on the stream. God. Let's fucking go. Oh my God, he's too good. Woo. But Patrick, you never tell us when to buy. You never tell us when to buy. I mean, come on. Like, I literally don't want to sit here and toot my own horn, but can anyone deny this? Deny this. Can anyone deny what we just did? But he trades in hindsight. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Come on, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? I would love for someone to try to argue the fact that, like, I didn't just call this spot for fucking spot here, boys. Spot for spot here. Look at the NASDAQ up there to that pivot point. We talked about that pivot point earlier. We talked about this breakout here on the ES. I was looking for this push through the 46s here. Look at the ES up there to the 56s. Fucking 10 points on the ES. Come on. We got the gap fill. We had the VWAP touch, and there's that rip up there to the 56s. I bow out. It's too good. I don't even like it's and look at the old 15-minute breakout right there as well. The 15-minute opening range breakout. Beautiful little move there on the 15-minute chart. Look at this thing. Right through the 15-minute opening range up there to the 70s now. She's still going. She's still going. Come on, guys. Is there somebody in the chat saying that I'm not the best day trader on YouTube? Is there somebody I would love to see? Who said that? There's nobody. There's not one other YouTuber doing it like this. Fucking even ICT's not doing it like this. I mean, come on. The guy fucking wrote the algorithm, designed the entire market. The ghost in the machine can't even do it like I do it. Come on. Fucking ghost in the machine can't do it like this. Oh. The dollar is just absolutely getting murdered right now, so everything else pulling back with it. So not a bad morning here. Making money live on YouTube. One thing to make a recap video, it's another thing to fucking call the plays as they happen, people. ICT is going through a hard time. Out of respect, please don't talk about him. Well, what's his hard time? What's I haven't been updated on his hard times. Let me go look on it. I don't follow him on Twitter, so I gotta go find out what he's going through right now. Hard times. My son was permitted to remove his neck brace. Thank you very much. Son was in a motorcycle accident. Right there. I mean, not to be an asshole, but that's why I don't own a fucking motorcycle. No, thank you. I ain't trying to crush my brain. I'm too beautiful. This is why you like don't buy a fucking motorcycle, people. It's silly. Don't be stupid. Don't do it. I ain't trying to be an asshole, but I'm just trying to give people a little bit of advice. Stay away from those motorcycles. Nothing good comes from motorcycles. Rachel, you're just asking for fucking trouble. Ninja. That's like ninja death. That's what when people tell me they have a ninja, I just think about ninja death. Yeah, I mean, I see, I used to race dirt bikes and all that fun stuff, so I can ride a motorcycle, but the problem is I don't trust the other people on the road. There's a lot of really bad drivers out there. That's why I drive a big truck, because if I get in an accident in my big truck, I ain't gonna have no damage to me. It's like a fucking tank. What? Like if I get in an accident, I'm like, what was that? Somebody just hit me? Fuck! God, someone hit me again. You know? Look at that ripper. Still going. Fucking yeah. We got numbers coming out here in 7 minutes. This thing is still just ripping to the moon right now. Like I said earlier, looking bullish here today. And that was the breakout. We had that beautiful breakout there from the morning move down. We talked about this exact setup. What's so funny is we literally talked about this hourly breakout here. Look at that hourly candle. I mean, that was textbook breakout there on the hourly chart. This is the hourly NASDAQ chart. And look at this thing through the 90s, just straight up fucking boner candle, 100 points basically. 100 fucking points on the boner candle right there on the hourly chart. What a fucking move. That doji there on that 8 o'clock candle was pretty telling that this thing wanted to go straight fucking up. Straight fucking up. Patrick, I drive a big truck because I don't just drive one big truck because I'm compensating. I drive 3 big trucks because I'm compensating that much. Like that, that joke doesn't like bother me. I love when people are like, "Oh, he drives a big truck because he's compensating." Oh. Cool, dude. Good story. You're worried about the size of my. You're worried about the size of my. You know what? That's what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about like, huh? You're thinking about me. You're thinking about my, you know what? Okay, interesting. Whatever you're into, bro. I'm not into that, but hey, I got nothing against it. You're worried about me compensating. I'm worried about me winning. Big difference in life. All right, we got numbers coming out here in 5 minutes. We got numbers in 5 minutes, people. So don't go crazy here. Just wait. Let's see what happens with these. We got like 3 numbers coming out at 10 o'clock. So I have a 2023 Ford Raptor. I've got a 2023 F-250 that's going to be on 40 soon. And then I've got a Ford Bronco on 37s. Fucking monster trucks. Yeah, baby. 5 minutes till these numbers come out. Just being patient, waiting, and watching here. Don't need to go crazy. But what a move, man. You got... Honestly, like, this is like... This setup right here, this doesn't happen all the time. But when it does, it's just fucking... It's always money. Like, it's just always fucking money, man. Sell your Bronco. Crash ratings aren't too good. Juan, I'm gonna not take your advice on that. Thank you. My Bronco's on 37s, and I have off-road bumpers. So yeah, if I get into an accident, unless it's a semi truck, I don't know how I'm gonna be in trouble there. Yeah, my Bronco's gonna make your car compact. Here we go, pulling back. We got 3 minutes till numbers. Save the earth. Nah, we can't save the earth. Burn diesel, baby. Hey, honestly, my fucking F-250, I drove all the way to the Keys and back, and on 1 tank of gas. Like, it's impressive. I got a 600-mile range on 1 tank of diesel. Like, that's pretty fucking good for a full-size truck. Like, look up the Bronco for the video of the crash test. It folds in half. Guys, I'm not worried about the fuck. What are you talking about? The Bronco crash video. God, like, can you guys just like live your life and let me live my life? Like, God, I don't fucking watch crash videos in the first place. God, I want to look at this thing now. Bronco crash video. Is this, which one is it? Is it this one? Is it this one? Which one? Which one are we looking at? Oh, look at this. So if you're telling me if I drive directly into a fucking metal barrier, if I drive directly into a fucking metal barrier, I'm gonna die. What the fuck? What are we looking at here? Where's the crash at? We got 2 minutes here. Oh. Oh, God. So if I drive directly into a fucking concrete wall, that's what's going to happen to me. I should probably just avoid driving directly into a fucking concrete wall. What the fuck? Oh, what else we got? Let's see. Oh, that's going to be me. Guys, here's a little piece of advice. All right, I'll give you a little piece of advice. Don't buy a Bronco and drive directly into a fucking concrete wall at 35 miles an hour, because this is what's going to happen. Okay? Just want to let you know. Avoid the concrete walls. Avoid them. You don't want to hit the concrete walls. You'll never fucking win. You'll never win. You'll never win fighting a concrete wall. I mean, honestly, like, am I supposed to be like, Patrick, have you seen what happens when you drive a Bronco into a concrete wall? Have you seen what happens? It's fucking, dude, the thing just gets crushed. Like, it just gets crushed. Here goes the NASDAQ just ripping up there. Numbers are out. Oh, boner candle to the upside there. Somebody knew. Somebody knew. The news got leaked. Somebody knew the market was going to squeeze. Looks like it wants to push to the 90s next. There we go, through the 90s. I took that little pullback to the 80s, up there through the 90s, locked it in. Easy peasy mac and cheesy, baby. What a move. I think she wants to go all the way through the 200s next. All the way through the 200s there. Thank you very much. Easy peasy mac and cheesies. Quick little rip up there through the 200s. We're right at a pivot point now on the QQQ. Stuck here at the 200s for now. There's that rip up there again through the 200s. I gotta start fucking, I gotta start charging live streams, new charge. I'm gonna start charging. God, people are making thousands of dollars for this free live stream. What do I get from it? I get some likes. Fuck. All I get is likes and people talking shit the whole time. I think she goes through the 220s next. Up there to the 217s. She's holding here at the 210s for now. Needs to rip through the 220s next. A little bit of trouble there for now. Lots of volatility here on the book map. Will they rip this through the 220s there? Trying to rip it up there. Get this break right through the 220s. Beautiful. Up there to the 19s. Hey-o, and the yayo. I like making money, boys. I like it. I like it a lot. The high there, 219. I took that little pullback for a quick rip up for 10 points on the NASDAQ. Let's go. Give me volatility. Give me action. Give me money. Give me freedom. Give me action. Give me money. Ah! Trying to get that break through the 20s here. Stuck there. It's going to go. It's got to go. And this is not financial advice, by the way. I had to put the disclaimer up there for a second. Oh my God, the dollar is getting absolutely destroyed right now. Look at this fucking dollar. Just fell off the cliff. The dollar just, whoa. Ripped right down there, the dollar. She's gone. Dollar gone, boys. Dollar is gone. Oh, 20 break. This thing is going. Look at the fucking 20 break here. Oh, God. Hey, it's almost there through the 20s. Up there to the 20s. 20 break, 20 break, 20 break. God. Should I just stop now? I should just walk away now. Can one man be so good? Oh my God. How do I get in and out so quick? Well, it takes a lot of skill, a lot of practice, but I basically buy and sell. I click buy, I click sell with my finger on the mouse. It's a skill that I've been training for my whole life. No hotkeys, just literally I take my little mouse here, right? I go, if I want to buy, I press buy. And then when I want to sell, I press sell. Bam! In and out, baby. I don't need hotkeys. I don't know. People freak out about hotkeys, but I don't need hotkeys to I literally just press buy and sell. Buy, sell. Buy, sell. Bang, bang. Up there through the 20s now. God. I keep on looking for answers. I keep on looking for trouble. Guys, this is exactly what we do every day in the market flow trader community. This right here. It's just simple. We draw lines, we get the breakouts, we get the moves. The fucking ES up there are the 64s now. I'm telling you, if you're on the fence, if you're thinking about joining up, look at this thing through the 42s. Come on. It's popping off. It's popping off. If you want to learn right here, we got Market Flow Trader. This is the live stream. We've got Sage on there right now talking about the trades. I don't know. BRB doing something right now. He's BRB right now. I don't know what the fuck he's doing right now, but we got the whole community there breaking it down live. You can check it out right here in the community as well. We got members making money, money, money. It's $500 for life. $1,700. Justin Williams. Oh my, he must be in a combine or something. $10,000 for Justin Williams. What the fuck? Justin's killing it. Is he really? What is he trading? He's up $12,000. One of the Market Flow Trader members. Holy fuck, he's up 10 fucking. He's long from the 107s. This guy. Matthew Fuller right here getting in at the 440s on the ES. The rip up there to the 53s. It's $500 for lifetime access. As of September 1st, everything's changing. There will be a monthly membership fee and all of that fun stuff. So if you want to join, now's the time to do it. Get that access for life. We do exclusive member stuff. We'll have exclusive Q&A with the members even this Wednesday. So a lot of stuff going on. And it's just popping off. We go through, you know, my whole entire ideas, my indicators, everything I'm using for my trades. And this is always evolving and getting better and better. There's about like, there's 15 videos there. There's another 19 there. There's 12 there. So, I mean, we go through, I talk about my chart walkthrough, everything that I'm looking at day to day trading in these very simple strategies. I'm posting up a video later on today with actual trader testimonials talking about what they've learned while after joining the Market Flow Trader community. So this thing still up there to the 40s. What a rip. Through the 20s, up there to the 40s. Another 20-point move after that 20-point break. So 20 break, 40s, up there to the 40s now. We love to see it. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Just waiting to see how this plays out now. I'd like to get a little bit of a pullback here, to be honest. You can see here on the hourly chart, this thing just going straight to the fucking moon right now, boys. So the hourly candle pushing straight up there to the 240s now. That was that move we were looking for. Look at this thing. Just fucking bang, 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 baby. That's 200. That's almost like almost 200 points there or so on that breakout. This is exactly the plan that we talked about pre-market. This breakout there on the hourly chart. The book map right now looking a little heavy here. We did just go straight to the fucking moon. We need a little bit of consolidation, guys. So don't go chasing waterfalls. Nothing wrong with just being patient. If you didn't make a bunch of money already, BRB, you gotta go to the bathroom real quick. remember. Oh my God, still going. Fucking A. Look at this thing just ripping right now, boys. Well, like I said, I would have liked to get a little bit more of a fucking pullback there, but not sure I'm going to chase it now. Missed this breakout right here on the 1 minute chart there. Another perfect little textbook breakout there. Just draw your fucking yellow line, wait for the breakout, bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. All right. Just kind of, I'm pretty much wrapped up. I'm pretty happy with that. Easy peasy mac and cheesy today. Nothing too crazy. We get those easy setups. We make the money, then we walk away. So, bang, 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 baby. I just don't, yeah, I mean, these fucking, it sucks when it gets this far overextended. Because you just look, I mean, it's like, fuck. It's about a 100-point move back to the VWAP there. Look at the 5 minute chart right now. I mean, oh, I don't know. It's a little scary looking. We might be able to push up there to that 290 area, 300s, but yeah, it looks a little overextended there. I don't know. It could go higher, but fuck. Just definitely getting to a point where it's dangerous. We ran right into that fair value gap there on the 15-minute chart from back there Thursday of last week. So everybody making some money today. Let's go. Insane move, though. Absolutely insane. What a time to be alive. Making easy money today. So there it is. Absolutely crushed it. Got some really good setups this morning, and we took them and made the money, baby. So there's a pivot point coming up there at the 371.70 area on the QQQ. So maybe he tries to move up there to that pivot. Oh no. We'll find out here. Up there again to the 70s. Does it make a new high here through the 80s? Just squeezing everybody out. The Bears, the Bulls battling here at the highs. The battle. Could go, could go. He could go. Banana, banana. There's that push up there again. Fuck. The FOMO is real. I'm going to walk away. Big thank you for everyone tuning in today. We absolutely crushed it. If you didn't make money today, don't go chasing waterfalls and do something stupid, you know? Nothing wrong with walking away up $1,000 on the day. You made money, walk away. Go do something else. Fucking live in the moment. Fucking enjoy it, you know? Don't go doing something stupid and buying at the top and this thing fucking crashes 50 points and you end up losing or blowing up your account, you know? So I see a lot of people, they're always like, man, Patrick, I make money in the morning and then I end up losing it in the middle of the day. And I'm like, well, stop fucking doing stupid shit in the middle of the day, all right? Just stop it. Stop doing stupid shit. So trying to help you guys out. Save you some agony. It could go higher, but hey, if you're already sitting pretty on the day, got nice profit, nothing wrong with walking away. Where do you find the market flow trader community? We're right here, baby. There's a link in the chat. Remember, guys, it's $500 the last day. 2 more days, and then it's going to jack up in price. $500 is for lifetime access. You get everything lifetime. So if you guys want to learn more, the market flow trader community continues on the stream and all that fun stuff. So we got over 1,000 members now. So even when I'm not live, it's still popping off. And well, there it is. Pretty eventful morning here. We took it, we made money, and now we're walking away. Go enjoy the day. So if you want to learn more, the market flow trader community, it's $500 for lifetime, only until September 1st. After that, sorry about you. I told you guys once we get to 1,000 members that I was going to change the pricing structure. So I gave everybody plenty of time, plenty of opportunity to join up, and now it's time. So there's a little bit of a pullback, kind of chopping around here at the 85, back to the 70s. Like I said, don't go buying the fucking top, all right? Don't go buying the top. If you made money earlier, just take your money and run away, you know? Take your money, run away, people. Don't go do something stupid. I don't know, and I know exactly how that goes. I've done it myself. I know exactly that feeling, right? Of like, you're up on the day, you're like, okay, I'm gonna try to get one more breakout, and then all of a sudden you get long here at the fucking 78s and it drops 30 points and you end up losing all the profit that you made this morning. Don't do it. Don't fucking give back profits. All right? All right. Greg said he has one contract running, when to cut it. I mean, I think if you look here, as long as it keeps kind of holding this, you know, putting in higher lows, keep the party going. Just be worried about if it starts to put in a lower high. That's when you want to worry. But I mean, fuck, if you got one contract running, nothing wrong with just kind of putting stops as this thing puts in higher lows. I mean, I would put my stop now at like 73. I mean, it's obviously not financial advice, but I'd want to kind of hold that 73 level here. Or even, you know, 53. And again, getting stuck there. So there it is. I will see you guys tomorrow morning for Wild Wednesdays. We're live tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. We only need 11 more likes to get to 1,000 likes. We only need 10 more likes. 10 more. On the day right now, I am up That's 5,000. About, what is that, 7 grand on the day across all the accounts. So not a bad day. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. So there it is. Big thank you guys for tuning in. We'll be live tomorrow morning. Make sure you tune back in if you're going to join that Market Flow Trader community. There's never been a better time to do it. So I will see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace to the Middle East. I got a video popping off later on as well. So stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button. All the buttons down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.